Hello friends and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to make a video before I posted any other makeup related videos on my channel, kind of just addressing why I haven't posted in the past 2 years. Because I'm sure for all 2.5 of you that actually watch my videos, you've been wondering and just dying to know where I've been. But after I posted my last video, which was in December of 2016, I moved, I went back to school, I moved a couple more times, I graduated, I moved again, and things have just been pretty hectic for me personally, so I didn't really have a lot of time to sit down and film videos, and I didn't have a good enough space to make the type of videos that I wanted to, but now I have officially set up a small area for filming for me. I've gotten back into downloading my editing software and everything, and so I'm gonna start making videos again on this channel. I also have been posting more on my Instagram, which is at the handle @CheeksyBeauty. And I'm about to post a video of a review of a highly anticipated palette. So I just wanted to make a video before I posted that one to address where I've been. And for those of you who used to watch me or those of you who are new, I've changed a lot makeup wise. I've grown a lot makeup wise. I mean, makeup is really a journey for anyone who's learning for it. There's definitely a lot of differences in my techniques. And when I started this channel, I started it because I wanted to learn makeup with other people in this community, learn makeup on YouTube, on Reddit, on Instagram, with my friends, and I was just really interested in sharing my thoughts, sharing my opinions, and sharing things that I learned throughout my time here, and I really only got to do that for a few months before things got a little bit crazy for me. So I'm really happy to be back, and I'm happy to start sharing my tips and opinions and discovering new products with all of you, and I just wanted to kind of make a very short video addressing that and previewing, I guess, my video that's coming up right after this. So if you guys are looking forward to some new content on your feed, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. For those of you that used to watch me and subscribed and are randomly getting a notification that I posted a video again after you've definitely forgotten that I existed after 2 years, I hope that you'll stay with me and continue on my journey of makeup that I have laid out in front of me. I'm really excited to be back, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So please hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't, or just come back and check it out in a few weeks, and hopefully I'll have a few more videos up by then. And I wish you all a happy holiday season, and that's it. So like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.